Hey guys, how's everyone today? So I just wanted to share some quick information with you that might be affecting a lot of cars here. It's a new recall just came out that's going to affect 10 million vehicles. And it's some from Honda, BMW, Ford, I think Fiat. But it has to do with the tachometer airbags again, of course. I was reading it said this has been going on for 7 years, so obviously they can't really fix it the correct way. I guess they're just, when they put the new airbags in, they're the same type as what they're taking out, so it doesn't really fix anything. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys, because if you're like me, a lot of times I get like warranty offers or whatever, I just toss them in the garbage. So you might want to be on the lookout for a letter from Honda that states that your vehicle's affected. Now, it goes a VIN by a VIN process, so not everyone's affected, but it's going to affect probably a lot of models, the Accord, Pilot, Civic. So just wanted to share that with you guys, that be on the lookout. Like I said, they'll be mailing out notices, and then it's free of charge, so just go ahead and get it fixed. I guess what happens is an accident, they don't go off, so it's kind of a big deal. You know, it could mean your life, so I would definitely recommend, if you get a letter, get an appointment and get it fixed. You know, it doesn't cost you anything, just some time. It's kind of a bummer, but we'll know more as time goes on. You know, and I'll let you guys know if I get one as well in the coming weeks here. This just got released yesterday. So I just want to share that information with you guys. Keep everyone safe out there. Hope everyone's having a good day. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys all next time. Thanks again.